English writing styles, and they are as follows. So let's begin. The number one writing style is expository writing. What is expository writing? It focuses on sharing facts, info, and statistics without adding personal opinions. There's no biasness or personal opinions. Personal opinions are different, and a shade of biasness can also count or become a personal opinion or an inclination that you have towards any topic. It's beyond that. So it focuses on sharing facts, info, and statistics without adding personal opinions. And the example of this is textbooks and news reports. This is expository writing. And then we have persuasive writing. What is persuasive writing? Persuasive writing seeks to convince the reader to agree with a specific viewpoint or take action using logic and evidence. And you can see this in opinion columns and ads. For example, I've shared the Heinz ad over here because they're like trying to form your opinion according to their experiences or whatever, whoever has paid them to form your experience, they do that. Whatever the case may be, this is persuasive writing. They try to persuade you with the help of their writing to take some form of action or to change your viewpoint. Narrative writing. It tells a story complete with characters, a plot, a setting, and a clear sequence of events. You can see this type of writing in novels and memoirs. And then the final type of writing is descriptive writing. It uses sensory details and figurative language to paint a vivid mental picture for the reader, seen in poetry and fiction. You will find this type of writing in poetry and fiction. As you know, in fiction, the author uses sensory details and figurative language to enhance the scenery and to create an engaging effect on the mind of the reader. So this is descriptive writing. Especially it's used in poetry and fiction. There are a few other writing styles, and they're specialized and functional styles. Creative writing, objective writing, and technical writing. What is creative writing? To entertain. It's mainly used to entertain the audience. What about objective writing? The author projects neutrality and the author is also detached. In objective writing. In technical writing, it conveys instructional data clearly. These are a few writing styles. I've always suggested people that writing is not confined to these styles alone. You can also create your own style of writing, and that is beyond what I've taught you earlier in this presentation. Because there is no bound to creativity. Your creativity has no limits, and you can use your creativity to come out with a new type of writing, and that is stamped on your name, and you can become famous with the help of this style of writing. It can attach to your persona or writing style. So I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.
We started with a single fragile string, learning not to pull or let it go slack, then wove a tapestry of different hues with gentle hands and nothing left to prove. We tend a garden planted in the spring. Some days you bring the water, some days I do. A quiet harmony is what we choose, softly, fiercely unbreakable.